Hi again, I'm Susanna De Beer. I'm going to show you another sash potential. I'm using again a runner because I would like a little bit more volume on the chair. I'm finding here the middle point. This is the middle. And then I lay this on the table, not losing my middle. I should just show you up here. And then that's my middle. Then I fold this into thirds so that I get a nice band. Now I flip this over and the middle goes at the post. I'm going to take this through here. You do need to keep it tight, so you got to keep it fairly tight. And from here, you can create your bow. You can definitely add a decor here with a pin or some bling, Velcro bling or whichever. You can also slide in some flowers in here as well. Some people have also done it through the knot here. They've put some stems through here as well. It works just fine. Or just leave it with the bows as it is. It sits quite nice because it's quite thick, so it doesn't tend to droop that easy. It's up quite nicely. Again, this is best done with a stiffer fabric like this is a taffeta crinkle, but it could be done with a thicker fabric. I find it a little bit more cumbersome to do with a thin satin. That's why I'm using this instead today. Hopefully you guys like it.